Welcome, my dear students. We are going to study a structure of simple boranes such as diborane and tetraborane. Diborane has molecular formula B2H6, which contains 2 boron atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms, making a total of 8 atoms. The minimum number of normal covalent bonds required to link these 8 atoms is 7, as in C2H6. 14 electrons are therefore required to form 7 covalent bonds in a diborane molecule, but it has only 12 valence electrons, as each boron atom has only 3 valence electrons, 2s2 2p1. Diborane molecule has 2 electrons less than the minimum required number. Hence, it is an electron deficient molecule. The molecule in which the valence electrons that are available are less than the minimum required to form normal covalent bonds is called as electron deficient molecule. Since diborane is an electron deficient molecule, it being electron deficient, its structure and bonding are not normal. It involves abnormal bonding. Earlier, many ionic and ethane-like reasonable structures were suggested, but electron diffraction data suggested the bridge structure for diborane. The bridge structure in which HBH terminal hydrogen atoms, the bond angle 122 degree. The bridge hydrogen atoms HBH, the bond angle 97 degree. The bond length BH, bridged hydrogen atom 0.13 nanometer. BH terminal atoms 0.11 nanometer bond length or 0.12 nanometer bond length. Then there are 4 terminal hydrogen atoms attached to 2 boron atoms which are coplanar. The remaining 2 hydrogen atoms are involved in the formation of BHB bond or bridge. Hence, they are called bridge hydrogen atoms. These 2 hydrogen atoms lie perpendicular to the plane of the molecule and they prevent rotation between the 2 boron atoms. These conditions are confirmed by the specific heat measurement and from the study of its Raman spectra. Further, the structure is justified by the manner in which diborane undergoes methylation. When diborane is subjected to continuous methylation, hydrogen atoms are successively replaced by methyl group, CH3 group, forming B2H2CH3 On further methylation, the diborane breaks to form 2 trimethyl boron molecules, BCH3 thrice. B2H2CH3 plus twice CH3 plus gives twice BCH3 thrice plus twice H plus. This clearly explains that the 4 hydrogen atoms are bonded to the boron atoms in such a way that their replacement doesn't cause the rupture or the breakup of diborane molecules. Whereas the remaining 2 hydrogen atoms on being replaced, the molecule gets ruptured. This can be clearly observed in the structure given, and in a diborane molecule, the terminal hydrogen atoms are linked to boron atoms through normal covalent electron pair bonds, covalent bond, normal covalent bonds, but the bonding in BHB bridge is rather unusual. The bonding in diborane molecule can be better explained by molecular orbital theory. The bonding of diborane, the bonding undergoes sp3 hybridization in diborane and forms 4 hybrid orbitals. 5 boron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 ground state. There are 2s orbital is filled with 2 electron and 2p is filled with 1 electron. Means that px, py, pz, px is filled with 1 electron. Excited state, then the 1 electron get promoted to s2p orbital, then s orbital 1 electron, then p orbital 2 electron, and one orbital is empty. Means there is a sp3 hybridization, but one orbital in a boron when form the B2H6, there is a 3 unpaired electrons and 1 empty. In these 4 hybrid orbitals, 3 orbitals have an electron each and the 4th orbital is empty. 2 of the hybrid orbitals of boron with an electron each overlap with 1s orbital of the 2 terminal hydrogen atoms to form 2 bonds. This leaves 2 hybrid orbitals with a boron of which one has an electron and the other is empty. There are 2 such BS2 units in a diborane. These 2 units are interlinked through BHB bridge. Such a bridge formation involves the overlapping of the hybrid orbitals with an electron of 1 boron on one side and an empty orbital of another boron on the other side with the 1s orbital of the central hydrogen atom. This is a situation where 3 orbitals overlap with each other, but only 2 electrons are available. For bonding, it is a 2 electron 3 center bonding. Therefore, BHB bridge involves 2 electron 3 center bond, 2e 3c bond, and due to its shape it is also called or it is referred as the banana bond. BHB 3 center, 3 atom 3 center, and their contribution of electrons involved 2 electrons, and there is a formation of the banana bond. The 3 atomic orbitals A dash and B overlap to form one bonding, one antibonding and a non-bonding molecular orbital. The 2 electrons available, one from one of the boron atoms and the other from the hydrogen atom, are sufficient to fill up the single bonding molecular orbital. There are 2 such a BHB bridge involving 2 electrons 3 center bonding. Psi B is a bonding, psi A anti-bonding, psi N is a non-bonding. Means bonding, non-bonding, anti-bonding molecular orbitals in a increasing energy level. Bonding in diborane, if you consider the 4 terminal hydrogen atoms, there is a BH bonds, 2 electron 2 center BH bonds, means 4 terminal, the 2 electrons get contributed, then 4 into 2 is equal to 8 electrons. 2 bridge atoms, then twice E 3 center BHB bonds, then 2 into 2 it gives 4 electrons, means the for 4 terminal hydrogen atoms BH bonds 8 electrons in all, 2 bridge BHB bonds 4 electrons in all, means the total number of electrons involved in bonding are 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. The bonding, there are electrons involved in a diborane are 12. Then the structure of tetraborane B4H10. As explained in diborane, even in a tetraborane, boron atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. The simple boron hydride contains 3 types of bonds in a tetraborane B4H10. In addition to terminal and bridging BH bonds, this compound contain a direct BB bond. In a B4H10 tetraborane molecule, there are 6 terminal atoms, hydrogen atoms, then 2E, 2C center BH bond, means there is a BH bond, 2E, 2 center, the electrons contribute 2 each, then 6 into 2 is equal to 12. With terminal bond, there are 12 electrons, 1 direct bond, then 2E, 2 center BB bond, then 1 into 2 is equal to 2 electrons. 4 bridge, then 2e3 center, BHB bonds, 4 into 2, 8 electrons, means 12 to 8, it gives a 22 electrons. The total number of electrons involved in bonding are 22 electrons. 6 terminal, 12 electrons, 1 direct bonding, 2 electrons, 4 bridge bonding, 8 electrons. Means there is a 22 electrons involved in the tetraborane molecule. On the basis of Lipscomb scheme, the structure has been assigned to diborane and tetraborane. Incidentally, Lipscomb was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on boron hydrides. According to the molecular orbital concept, there are 3 molecular orbitals with wave function psi b1, psi b2 and psi h. Each bridging bond thus consists of bonding molecular orbital containing twice electrons, although the non-bonding orbital could accept an additional pair of electrons. The second BHB bridge likewise may be formed. Tetraborane undergoes both symmetric and unsymmetric cleavage. Larger Lewis bases tend to split up BH3 moieties, which are either complexed or allowed to dimerize to form diborane. B4H10 plus Me3N gives Me3NB3H7 plus Me3NBH6. Twice B4H10 plus ethyl oxide ET twice O, ET2O, B3H7 plus B2H6. Small hard Lewis bases such as ammonia and hydroxide ion result in unsymmetrical cleavage, that is splitting of the BH2 plus moiety B4H10 plus twice NH3. It gives S2B NH3 twice in bracket plus B3H8 in bracket raised to minus. Thank you.